Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get a refund from Shein without returning. So let's get started. So now, we are covering a quick step-by-step guide on how to get a refund on Shein without needing to return your items. So if you have ever received something that didn't meet your expectation but don't want to go through the hassle of returning it, this video is for you. So now, step one is to check Shein's refund policy. First, familiarize yourself with the Shein's return and refund policy as it can vary depending on your location and the specific items you ordered. Shein sometimes issues refunds for specific issues like damaged goods, wrong items, or missing items without requiring you to send them back. And then step number two would be to take a photo or a video is even better of the issue. So if you have received an item that's defective, the wrong size, or just doesn't match what you ordered, take a clear photo or video of the problem. It is much preferable if you take a video when you are opening the package. In that way, the Shein staff or Shein would be able to clarify that you didn't tamper with the product. That is why there is a defect. That there is a defect from where you have opened the package, and in that way they would refund you fast because they would know that you are not lying. And this will come in handy when you reach out to customer support, helping to demonstrate the issue for a smoother refund process. And now step number three would be to contact Shein customer service. So you need to head over here to the Shein app and log into your account first. And from here, go into customer service. And you can find it here in the Me section right here. So go into this icon right here with the customer service icon on the top right, just beside the QR icon. So tap on that. And then you will now be prompted right here where you can see your orders right here. So you can tap here on more to see everything. And then from here, let's say that this is the order that I would want to refund. So I'm gonna tap on this order. And then from here, you can tap on the headphones icon on the top right. And this is where you can chat with the Shein representative right here, or the Shein agent. And from here, you can just go for a refund right here. But in my case, this is not eligible for refund anymore because this has already been past the date. So you can only refund before 15 days. So if it reaches more than 15 days, then you will not be eligible anymore for the refund, no matter the case. So from here, just choose this chat right here and describe your issue in detail and be ready to upload those photos or videos. And then after that, you just need to explain your situation and request a refund. So when contacting the support, explain that you are unsatisfied with the item and would prefer a refund without returning it. Be polite but clear about the reasons on why the item didn't meet your expectation or is unusable. Some customer service agents may be more than willing to approve a refund without a return if the issue is well documented. And then after that, all you have to do is wait for Shein's response, because Shein typically responds within 24 to 48 hours. They may offer a refund directly, give store credit, or provide a partial refund if they agree with your request. If they ask you to return it, you can negotiate by reiterating the inconvenience or explaining why a return might not be practical. And then lastly would be to just follow up if needed. So if you don't receive the response you hope for, then it doesn't hurt to follow up, restate your case, and ask politely if there's any chance of a refund without the return. Sometimes a second request can make the difference. And that's it. Follow these steps and you would have better chances of getting a refund without a return on Shein. So remember that success may vary depending on the item and circumstances, but it's always worth a try. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.